Hi everyone! Today I am going to be making Shiitake Dashi. I am introducing how to make delicious Shojin Ryori and fermented food each week on this channel. So be sure to subscribe not to miss any of my new videos. Ingredients: First, pour water to cover shiitake mushrooms in a bowl and leave it for 10 minutes to remove dirt and unwanted smell. Second, throw away the water. Third, put 1 liter of water and shiitake mushrooms in a clean container and store in the refrigerator for 1 day. Fourth, the next day, take out the shiitake mushrooms and it's done. Be sure to heat this dashi stock before using it. Fifth, this shiitake mushroom makes a delicious side dish. Please see the description below. Shiitake soup stock has a strong flavor, therefore it is good to use mixed with kombu kelp soup stock. My favorite ratio is 8 part kombu dashi and 2 part shiitake dashi. I hope this information is useful to you. Please give it a try. I hope that many people will know the wonderfulness of Koji mode, which makes cooking delicious. I will continue to introduce Japanese fermented food and Shojin cuisine on my channel. I will tell you what kind of good work fermented foods have on our bodies and vegetable dishes using fermented foods. I appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel and share my channel with your family and friends. ありがとうございました。